I don't pay that. Nah, I put that bitch with a latex. I did a drill with a face man. I wash my hand with the Ajax. I don't pay that. What do you want?
Oh my god, bruh. Are you fucking kidding me?
You walked right by me.
Huh?
You walked right by me. You said, excuse me.
I didn't even pay attention, yo. I have no peace.
Why have you got a Gucci jacket on?
I just wanted to wear it today.
You should have asked me, at least I only wear that on occasion. Why are you looking that way? Look here. What are you doing? You've got my beard and my moustache. What's that line there?
It was that.